Exercise 2.2, question number 2. Calculate the area of the shot put circle whose radius is 2.135 meter. I hope you know what is shot put. Shot put, it is a iron ball. Okay, it will be like a in ball shape only it will be. Okay, so obviously it is like a circle, and it will be made up of iron. Okay, that is shot put. So we are going to find the area of the shot put circle whose radius is 2.135 meter. So first we'll write what are the values are given. First it is given as radius, it is 2.135, and we have to find area. We'll write the formula, it is pi r square. Here directly they have given the r value, so we can write it. Pi value, it is 22 by 7. R value 2.135 into r square. That means we should write 2 times of r. 2.135 into 2.135. Okay. Now we can cancel this 7 and 2.135. If you don't know to write directly, we'll divide and see. 2.135 going to divide it by 7. 2 cannot be divisible by 7. So we'll write 0. Here also 0. If you subtract, we'll get 2. Before bringing down the next number, move the point to the quotient. Now you bring down this 21. In 21, we have 3 times of 7. It is 21. Then we'll bring down the next number 3. Now, can you divide 3 by 7? It is not divisible. If it is not divisible, then we have to write 0 in the quotient. Okay. Whenever you are bringing down the number, if it is not divisible, then we should write 0 in the quotient. Now, 0 into 7, 0. Subtracted 3. Now we can bring down the next number. It is 5. In 35, we have 5 times of 7. So it is 0. Therefore, the answer is 0.305. Now we have to multiply all these numbers. Okay, 22 into, you just take the point and multiply the numbers. Now I have taken the point, it is 305 into 22. If you multiply, then you will get the answer as 6710. Now with this we have to multiply 2135. So after multiplying these two, it should be multiplied with 2135. At last it is 0. So just I am multiplying this 2135 with 671. We'll write the 0. At last we can add it. Okay. If you multiply, you will get this answer. Now we'll add the 0. Therefore here we can add it. Now we'll write the answer is, it is 1430550. Okay. This is the answer. Now how we have to keep the point means, here from right side after 3 digits we have a point. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. Then 4, 5, 6. So totally after 6 digits we should keep a point in our answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore we should keep a point here. Therefore the answer will be 14.30585. At last it is 0. We need not to write it. And here the question is given in meter. Therefore we'll write the answer as meter square. Therefore area equal to 14.30585 meter square. After a point we have to say the numbers individually. You cannot say 14.30,585. If you say, it is wrong. We have to say 14.30585. Okay.